This past weekend, dozens packed a patio outside at Atlanta Bar with no masks or social distancing in sight. And more are scheduled over the next few days.
So there's no way that you can tell me that you guys were social distant. The venues were packed. There was not a mask in sight.
Terrence Stewart is chair of Atlanta Black Pride, scheduled this weekend. While the LGBTQ festival is all virtual this year, some party promoters are hosting in-person events with the organization's blessing if they agree to limit capacity and adhere to CDC guidelines.
I know it's difficult. They know it's going to be difficult. You can hand an individual a mask at the door. They'll put it on when they walk past you. 10 minutes later, it's going to be off.
According to Eventbrite.com, at least 36 other parties are scheduled over the weekend in Metro Atlanta. Despite seeing a rise in COVID cases following Memorial Day and 4th of July weekends, there's little state and local officials can do to stop them.
I think as a general rule, I really think it's not the best time to getting into indoor areas with large numbers of people.
Dr. Henry Rue oversees the Travel Well Clinic at Emory Hospital.
The COVID epidemic to me is like a wildfire. If the conditions are right, it can flare up even when you thought you had it under control.
COVID-19 is most deadly among the elderly, but it spreads the fastest among young people. And the impacts can be long-lasting. Stewart worries irresponsible organizers could jeopardize safety.
They don't even live here. And so you come in, you get a spot, you represent yourself as Atlanta Black Pride, you throw a party, something goes haywire, you leave town, we're stuck with cleaning up your mess.
According to the governor's executive order, gatherings up to 50 people are still permitted in the state. In a tweet posted earlier this week, Governor Kemp recognized the risk of another spike, writing, "In Georgia, we experienced a surge of COVID-19 cases after Memorial Day and the July 4th holiday. To keep cases, hospitalizations, and the positivity rates trending down, we are urging all Georgians to keep it small, keep it safe, and mask up this holiday weekend." The Atlanta mayor's office is also weighing and writing, COVID-19 continues to ravage our communities, disproportionately impacting Black and brown communities. If we are to curb the spread of this deadly disease, residents, visitors, and organizers must take personal responsibility, wear masks, socially distance, and use some common sense.